everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 1934 La Jolla Avenue. This is a great little property. This is a handyman special. Nice big large lot. You'll see when we get to the back. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1349 square feet. The windows have been replaced. It does have refrigerated air. It's got a great outbuilding out back as well. Come on in, let's take a look around. All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 1934 La Jolla Avenue. Again, great fixer-upper opportunity. Somebody that has vehicles and likes to work on vehicles, there's plenty of room here. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1349 square feet. Got all these great outbuildings and plenty of room back here in the yard. Give me a call, Ron Bruder, at 575-312-7330. or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandlascruces.com. Thanks. Have a great day.